Here I have LG K22, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then you have to go to the system section, languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages, add keyboard, and here you have the whole list of languages in which you can type on this device. As you can see, it's very long list. So let's select, for example, Greek language, and then tap done. And now let's try to write something down in Greek language. And as you can see, now I have Greek language on my LG K22. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.